everybody, hope you're all doing fine. I am back with yet another video on crypto basics, and today in this video I'm going to guide you through how to buy Doge on Trust Wallet account. So if you want to learn how, then keep watching the video till the end, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now in order to buy Doge on your Trust Wallet account, first of all go ahead and tap on Trust Wallet. Now tap on the search box in order to search it, but then you can also select from the given options available. As you can see, Doge is already provided in the option, so I'll just go and tap on it. Now you'll be available with this screen. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on buy, which is the fourth option in the top. Now it will present you with the value of Doge. You can always change the currency by tapping on the flag in the top and then choose your currency. After you've done that, go ahead and tap on buy with credit card. After you tap on buy with credit card, you will be running into a different website and it will ask you for your email address and the Trust Wallet account. So go ahead and tap on it, and then go ahead and tap on buy one more time in that screen, and then you will be good to go. That's how we can easily buy Doge on Trust Wallet account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment section if you have a comment or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial like this. Goodbye till then.